Welcome to this channel, nature-inspired wood creations for timeless living, a place where the beauty of the natural world is carefully shaped into wooden creations that bring warmth, balance, and lasting character into everyday life. Here, wood is honored as a living material, rich with grain, texture, and history, and transformed into designs that feel both grounded in nature and perfectly suited for modern homes. This channel is for those who believe that true style is timeless and that furniture and decor inspired by nature can never go out of fashion. At the heart of this channel is a deep respect for organic design and handcrafted quality. Every wood creation featured here draws inspiration from natural forms such as trees, landscapes, flowing water, and earthy textures. We explore how these influences translate into furniture, decor, and artistic pieces that feel calm, authentic, and enduring. By celebrating natural imperfections, honest materials, and thoughtful craftsmanship, this channel shows how wood creations can age beautifully and remain meaningful for generations. This channel also stands for mindful living and sustainable creativity. By using responsibly sourced and reclaimed wood, we transform nature's resources into long-lasting pieces that respect the environment while enhancing living spaces. Whether you're a maker, a design lover, or someone seeking harmony in your home, you are welcome here. Thank you for joining this journey where nature inspires every design, craftsmanship defines every detail, and wood creations become part of a truly timeless way of living. A channel created for those who believe that true beauty begins with nature and endures through thoughtful craftsmanship. Here, wood is not treated as a simple construction material, but as a living element shaped by time, weather, and growth. Every creation shared on this channel reflects a deep respect for natural forms, organic textures, and the quiet strength of wood, offering designs that bring warmth, balance, and authenticity into everyday living spaces. At the heart of this channel is the philosophy that nature itself is the greatest designer. The flowing curves of branches, the steady strength of tree trunks, and the intricate patterns of wood grain inspire every piece we create and showcase. By allowing these natural elements to guide design decisions, the wood creations featured here feel organic, harmonious, and effortlessly timeless. This channel explores a wide range of nature-inspired wood creations, from furniture and home decor to artistic installations and functional accents. Tables, chairs, benches, shelves, wall art, and sculptural pieces are all designed with the same guiding principles: respect for material, simplicity of form, and lasting quality. Craftsmanship is a core value deeply embedded in this channel. Every wooden piece is shaped with care, patience, and skill, honoring traditional woodworking techniques while embracing modern design sensibilities. This balance ensures that each creation feels both rooted in heritage and relevant to contemporary living. Nature-inspired design embraces imperfection, and this channel celebrates it openly. Knots, grain variations, natural cracks, and weather textures are not hidden, but highlighted as marks of authenticity. These natural details give each piece a unique identity that cannot be replicated. Sustainability is central to the message of this channel. By using responsibly sourced and reclaimed wood, we aim to reduce waste and promote environmentally conscious creation. Each project stands as a reminder that beautiful design can exist in harmony with nature rather than at its expense. The concept of timeless living runs through every creation featured here. Rather than following short-lived trends, this channel focuses on designs that age gracefully, gaining character and meaning over time. Wood pieces are meant to last for years, even generations. The creative process itself is part of the story we share. From selecting raw wood to shaping, assembling, and finishing, each step reflects a thoughtful dialogue between maker and material. This process-driven approach reveals the soul behind every finished piece. Natural finishes play a vital role in maintaining the integrity of the wood. Oils, waxes, and subtle stains are carefully chosen to protect the surface while enhancing the wood's natural color and texture, allowing it to breathe and evolve naturally. Functionality is never sacrificed for beauty. Nature-inspired wood furniture is designed to support real life. Comfortable to use, strong in structure, and practical for daily living. Thoughtful proportions and ergonomic considerations ensure lasting usability. This channel also explores how nature-inspired wood creations transform interiors. The presence of natural wood brings warmth, calm, and grounding energy into spaces, making homes feel more connected to the natural world. Emotional connection is a powerful element of handmade wood creations. Furniture and decor made from natural wood often become part of personal and family stories, holding memories and meaning that grow over time. Design inspiration often comes from simplicity and balance. Clean lines, honest materials, and harmonious proportions create a sense of peace and clarity that supports a timeless lifestyle. Cultural and traditional woodworking influences are woven into many of the designs featured here. These influences connect modern wood creations with centuries-old practices rooted in respect for nature. This channel encourages mindful living in a fast-paced world. By choosing handcrafted, nature-inspired wood pieces, viewers are invited to slow down and appreciate quality, intention, and authenticity. Lighting and spatial awareness are also explored, showing how it interacts with natural and artificial light to reveal depth, texture, and warmth throughout the day. Versatility is a defining feature of nature-inspired wood creations. These pieces can adapt to various interior styles, from modern and minimalist to rustic and eclectic, without losing their natural charm. The channel promotes healthier living environments by favoring natural materials over synthetic alternatives. Wood adds comfort, balance, and a sense of well-being to living spaces. Community and shared appreciation for craftsmanship are essential parts of this journey. Viewers are encouraged to connect, share inspiration, and support the values of sustainable and thoughtful design. Ultimately, nature-inspired wood creations for timeless living is more than a design channel. It is a way of life. It represents a commitment to nature, craftsmanship, and enduring beauty in a world that often values speed over substance. Thank you for being part of this journey. Your support keeps the spirit of nature-inspired design alive. Stay inspired, stay connected, and continue embracing a timeless way of living where wood, nature, and thoughtful craftsmanship come together in lasting harmony.